Hey there, my name is Zach Miller, and I am just coming back once again to talk about Jack's system with removing debt and how amazing it really is. Now, I haven't used the system in quite some time because it helped me get out of a very bad position like many years back, almost 8 or 9 now. And back then, I was doing a lot of different businesses and trying to grow, and it just ended up collapsing around itself because around that time we had a financial collapse as well here in the United States, and it was absolutely disastrous. It just set me back. I was in debt like so much. It was going to take probably 5 or 6 years of pure 100% saving, work, no fun, no frills. I had shot myself in the foot with a bad business decision. And Jack's system ended up coming through, eliminating all that debt. And I actually just wanted to show that one of the very last cases that I brought, which was just a few years ago, it was for a very small amount. I had even forgotten it was on my record because I had cleared so much off. It was for $2,000 and it was from Chase Bank. And the state of Florida actually let me know today, or a couple weeks ago, and today I just got in the mail 2 checks. Each one, as you'll see right there, is for, again, $1,000. And so is that other one right there as well. All of this was what I actually had owed, they say, to Chase Bank. And once I took them to court, they basically said, okay, we don't want to fight with you over this. We're just going to remove it. We're going to cancel your account. We'll close it. We'll take it off the, credit reporting agencies and everything. Just don't try and approach us again. And I was actually allowed to reopen a bank account. I have one with them even to this day. But the beautiful thing is that when you use Jack's process, it actually removes you from their system. So even though you had kind of this bad run-in where it seems like, oh no, I'm never going to be able to use them again, you can actually use them again because it actually wipes the records across all of the agencies, including their own internal system, and it's just like you never existed. It never existed. The credit report, the credit files, and it just disappears. But not only that, I can't really explain why we actually got the money that was allegedly owed paid to us from what is Florida's unclaimed division of actual monetary fund, and all we had to do was simply state, okay, that's our money. Here's where we live. Please send the checks to us. And now that I have the checks in the mail, I know it's absolutely real. This is the exact amount that, again, my very last case said I owed, which was somewhere in the range of $2,100 and 64 cents. And basically, now they've paid that back out to me. So I not only did not owe them what was allegedly said on those credit card reports, but they actually paid me that full amount back as well. So it's just quite amazing because what Jack is showing you inside of this system is just hands down proving that money no longer exists. It's a fiat system. And when you can actually show that a fiat currency cannot pay off these credit cards and, these bills of statements, bills and statements that say, hey, you owe this. And when you can actually prove that in the court system, again, stuff like this happens where it's like, not only do you not have to pay, but we're going to pay you the money. And it obviously, I'm at a point in my life where I don't need this money. It's just kind of gravy on top. I got a call. The call took 15 minutes. I signed some paperwork that took another 15 minutes, 30 minutes of my time to make $2,000. Absolutely amazing. Jack, I love what you're doing. Please never stop. And thank you so much. Again, if anyone is ever questioning about this process, the beautiful thing is now, will it work like this? I'm not sure. The beautiful thing is that it will eliminate your debt. It'll just get rid of all of that and erase from the credit reporting agencies. That alone is worth its weight in gold. So what did I do with Jack's system? I just put it on a credit card, and then I took that credit card to court, and bam, it was written off. So I literally got Jack's program for free. So I just I don't know. It's like, it's so amazing. I could go on for hours and hours, but I don't want to take up too much more of your time. I'm glad you've listened to me because you have to listen to how great this system is, how much literally it can save you and maybe even make you as well. I just love it. Thank you. If you don't have this system yet, get it now.